Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening GarageBand and creating a new song so you can capture ideas instantly. Once done, pick an instrument or audio recorder and set tempo, key, and meter to lock musical context. This prevents timing clashes later. Make sure the metronome and count-in are enabled so your takes line up. Then arm the track and check input levels. Avoid peaking. You're starting with a clear, consistent foundation, because good setup saves time during editing and mixing. Next, you layer parts. Record separate takes on new tracks to isolate elements and simplify mixing. Once you have clips, use split and merge to remove mistakes and drag regions to align timing. Punch-in lets you fix small sections without redoing whole takes. Use loops for quick ideas and quantize or transpose when tightening performances. Then apply automation and insert effects to shape dynamics and tone. This is where the arrangement becomes coherent and expressive, not just a collection of clips. To finish, mix. Balance volume and panning, apply EQ and reverb sparingly, and use the master limiter to avoid clipping. Once satisfied, export via share as a song or stems depending on whether you need separate tracks. Save to files or cloud for backup. If export or playback fails, restart GarageBand, verify iPad input and microphone permissions, and duplicate the project to isolate corruption. Doing these final steps ensures a releasable file and a recoverable project if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.